I'm Teacher Jean Rose, and now I am going to help you how to define colors. Let's start. Hi, I am Cindy. I want to learn different colors. Now, let's start defining colors. Follow after me. Yellow, yellow, orange, orange, red, orange, red, violet, violet, blue, violet, blue, blue, green, green, and the last is yellow, green. Very good. And now, let's put colors on an ice cream. Okay? Where is color yellow? Wow! Color yellow. This is so fun. Wow. Next, where is color red? Here. On the top, let's put the color red. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, next, let's find color blue. Here, color blue. Next, where is color green? Oh, where is color sky blue? And now let's put again another red. Yellow again. And I like green. Now, let's put colors on a rainbow. Here, color red. Wow. Next to it is color yellow. Next, color blue. Very good. Now you know how to define colors. The end. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.